Welcome to stockmarketpunting.com. I'm going to show you the S&P MidCap 400 index, and it's very important to this economy, just as I showed the small cap. One of the things that we want to pull out of this index here is that you want to see the MidCap arena going positive. So it's a mixed picture. And there's a lot of companies that are in this market capitalization per se that you need to understand. $ MID.X. It's a diversified one throughout the mid-cap structure of America market capitalization. And basically it's very well diversified. It's something that we want to see that goes along with rallies, is that I'm going to show you now, and we're into 2010 earnings season, and we're winding down in that earnings season. But like your other crucial indexes that I showed you, this is a major player in here, just like the OEX and just like some of the other indexes. So I'm going to blow up the chart a little bit. This was that long trend line down to the high, but let's go to the 2000. That was the lows. It rallies nice, that MidCap 400. And the S&P MidCap 400 is a very important index related to your economy. When we have the bear move, you got 4 weeks below the 10-week. You were declining. You have flattened out. You got 2 weeks above it. You need 2 more weeks to close above the 10-week to go from bear trend to SMF bull trend. And SMF, which is stockmarketpunting.com, SMF Street has a bear and bull trend mathematical analyzer. And over the last 20 years, we wrote it. It's our own proprietary tools. It's used for a high degree of diversification, risk management diversification, naturally so. It tells us where the economy is, along with a lot of other indexes. It's acting nice up here to the 20-week moving average. One thing that I will tell you very quickly is that when we take a look at the broader markets, is that the earnings season so far has done well. Until I have a consolidation above this last bar and this bar, 788.97, 770.97 right here, what we have to do is we've got to get above there and consolidate above here, right in here. I'm going to show you that it's right here, this trend line. We've got to consolidate above that and take out this high up here, and we have to close 2 more weeks above this blue line, 10-week moving average. If it goes up in value, which is down here, here's the 10-week moving average. So all of our traders, that's who this video is for, all of our investor traders worldwide and our SMF traders, 747.00 is the 10-week moving average. The 200-week moving average is 743.00, and that's that's slightly below the 10-week. However, there's a 10, there's a 200. The 50-week moving average 732.37. If we've come off of the lows, just like big engulfing bar here, just like we've showed on other ones that are very key to economics, because these mid-caps are very economic sensitive. And what I want to show you is engulfing bar 1 and 2, just like the Dow, and it's followed the Dow pattern. It's followed the S&P 100 pattern, the S&P 500 pattern, a lot of the key things that you should be looking at. That the SMF bull and bear weekly trend analyzers do all the mathematical equations, and it will rate the strength of where the markets are. And once again, it's very crucial in the broader part, as I showed the numbers there, is that, and by the way, welcome to stockmarketpunting.com. Join our free 5-day trial. Learn everything about it. We just launched a new direct access trading platform. Learn all about that. One thing that we have is that 20-week holding it down. We're going to see if we can hold support right here at 750 on this S&P mid-cap. It's very important. We already did this small cap 600 for you, but I can tell you Small caps like to lead the way. There's lots of money to be made in this 400 index. And you can see where the buyers and sellers were on Friday. It's kind of a mixed bag. There was some profit taking, but then naturally you've got lots of good quality diversified stocks in here that have done well in the 2000 earnings season. And we're going to look to see if we can consolidate above half of that trend line. These are the upper areas of resistance. Need to consolidate like this. The weekly bars need to get up in here, and they need to consolidate. And you need 2 more weeks above this blue line right here, which is the 10-week moving average, and I've already said the prices. Bear, bull. Let us not forget one other thing that's important. We never did go into a weekly sell signal. We got overbought. That was the time to short. And now we haven't, like some of the indexes, when you fall below this 0 line here, all the way across, that generates a weekly sell signal. So for 3 weeks, it's been holding on with the rally. And technically, we want to see it go higher, because it will move and the equities will move with the broader market. Just remember, though, that a lot of the earnings season is getting backed out of the way. And the month of September can be extremely light. Welcome to StockMarketPundit.com. Come join our free 5-day trial right away.